In this video, you will be making Rice Krispie treats using a microwave. One thing I do want to add here is make sure that you remember it's a video. You can pause this at any time if you're not sure, or back up to repeat or hear something again that I said. If you're like me, you're messy, you may want to go ahead and grab yourself an apron. Remember, they're back by the tornado door. Grab one off there, tie it on, get ready to work. First thing you want to do is gather your supplies. So things that you have to go get: square plastic container, a spoon, a medium glass bowl, oven mitts or hot pad, one solid measuring cup, that's this type, right? And then a half cup solid measuring cup, again, that's this type. And then a butter knife. Notice we are not using this kind, the liquid measuring cup, okay? So a 1 cup and a half cup. Things I will give you: Rice Krispies, cooking spray, marshmallows, and butter. Again, Rice Krispies, cooking spray, marshmallows, and butter. Alrighty, now onto your instructions. Lightly spray the square plastic container with cooking spray. That's this one right here. Cooking spray, lightly sprayed. Please don't spray it over the floor or over your chair. Go over maybe to the big garbage can and spray it over that so you don't make a mess and don't have to clean it up off your counter. Time to measure: 1 cup of Rice Krispies, 1/2 cup of Rice Krispies, for a total of 1.5 cups of Rice Krispies. Set those aside. Don't put those in the bowl yet. Now here's where we learn to measure butter. Notice on your butter there are tablespoon markers. This one I've already taken 2 tablespoons off. Each slice is a tablespoon, so cut off 2 chunks worth. Put them in the bowl. Alrighty, put the glass bowl with the butter in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Again, microwave 20 seconds. It'll melt. If it's not completely melted, take a metal spoon and stir it up till it melts, or maybe put it in for another 5 seconds or so. Alrighty, so take your bowl out of the microwave and back to your module. Make sure you use oven mitts. Carefully swirl the butter around. Again, if it's not completely melted, use a metal spoon to swirl it around, or microwave it a little bit longer if you need to. But use those oven mitts. Now throw in 8 large marshmallows into the melted butter. Put it back in the microwave for 1 minute, 10 seconds. Again, that's 1 minute, 10 seconds. Now you'll see that your marshmallows, when you go to take them out, they expanded and puffed up. Use your oven mitts or your hot pad to take the glass bowl out of the microwave and back to your module. Quickly throw in your 1.5 cups of Rice Krispies that you set aside. Dump them in quick. Then you want to take your spoon. Now, if I were you, by the way, I'd spray my spoon with a little bit of cooking spray so it doesn't, oop, that's misspelled. I didn't type that out. Anyway, so it doesn't stick to the spoon, and stir, stir, stir. You want to mix it all nice and even so everything gets covered in marshmallows. Pour or scoop the ingredients into your little square container, the one that you sprayed earlier. Spray the spoon again if you need to. This kind of helps keep things from sticking together. Using your spoon, press the mixture evenly into the square plastic container so it fits in here nice and neat. Set them aside for a few minutes so that everything sets up. Now then, before you eat, clean up. Wash your dishes, right? Hot water soap, plug that sink up. Let everything soak for a few minutes. And then after you clean it, put everything away. Remember, the spoon goes back on top of the microwave. The bowls get put back. The measuring spoon or measuring cups get put back. And your dirty towels and wash rag get put in the dirty clothes so they can be washed later. Go ahead and enjoy your treat after that. Now you may still have to wash the little square container because you probably didn't do that with your dishes. But if you did already, good. If you didn't, go back and wash that. Put it away as well. And again, enjoy your treat. If you feel like taking them home with you instead of eating them here, grab yourself a Ziploc bag from my table up front and take them home with you. There you go, Rice Krispie treats. Remember, you can always back this video up, rewind, pause, whatever you need to do.